Should we do a bit of train spotting? I'm in Duffield. Let's go and have a look. I know it's only just down the road from Belper, but let's go to Duffield. Welcome aboard, passengers. MegaSim here. We're at Duffield station and we're going to be going on the platform for a little bit. Not sure what's coming through because I've not actually checked, but yeah, I was in Duffield this morning and I thought, you know what? I'm going to have a quick look at the lovely station and see if any trains come through. So yeah, you come and join me on this little trip. Do you like these train spotting videos? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. Unfortunately, Duffield, or the Ecclesbourne Railway, is closed today due to a cutting that's preventing the train from coming into the station. That's what the notice said. Annoyingly, I've just looked on RTT and there were a couple of trains that were coming through, but they're all delayed. So we're just going to see what's coming through for the next half hour-ish, or maybe longer. See what I can do. Mrs. MegaSim's just gone out whilst I was helping a customer. I've not told her I've finished yet. So yeah, let's watch this Meridian, I think, coming through to St Pancras. Oh, that was awful. I need to keep an eye on that. I thought it'd be nice being up on the bridge having a look, but that was awful. Apologies on that clip. A couple more trains. Mrs. MegaSim's heading towards Duffield in a bit, so we'll just try and cram in as much as we possibly can before they turn up, and then it's back to normal life again for a bit. Hopefully you're enjoying this. That does it then. That was fun. Hopefully you enjoyed that too. This was Duffield Station. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Lets me know that you care. Subscribe if you haven't already. We've got some fantastic train real worlds coming up soon. But I'm trying to do this every Friday. Visit a station, take some videos, and yeah, you come along with me on that as well. And I'm trying to differ it a little bit just so we kind of have a good variety of trains. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. This is MegaSim out of here. See you soon, guys. Bye.